to roll with it.
You make us famous?
What I'm going to tell you is...
How hard was it to set up for this event?
You know, those stairs, I'm guessing, have been around since before OSHA. They're just a little bit tougher than some regular stairs.
1965.
65, very good, sir.
Yeah, I've gone up and down those things for years.
It was pretty good, and then climbing outside the rail to put the lines over the edge. It's a little scary too, but got to get it done to make it happen, right?
How about the camera angles?
I think we got some good angles on stuff. I think it's going to be all right tonight.
How about dealing with the sunshine in your eyes for a while?
Well, yeah, this is better than last week. That's what I got to say about that.
How about dealing with the heat in the pit?
The heat in the pit is pretty. We're hoping it cooks our burgers nicely real quick there, and then we'll hope it cools off nicely tonight.
What do you do with the crew?
I operate the Game High camera, camera 1.
These all run off of the P2 cards that go in there. So, are you a band? Yeah. So we've got these, and we've got a couple mini HDs that we use. But this is going to be one of our wireless cameras that we have on the field. We've got this one on the field, a jib camera, and 2 up top in the skybox.
Well, Ken, tell me about your preparation to broadcasting tonight's game.
Well, Monday I come and meet with the coaches. I came out and met Lyman Guy on Monday morning, first thing, 8 o'clock I was here at the school, but just to work with the coaches, and I picked their brains for about an hour or so to get all the tidbits for the game. And then our crew comes up here, and preparations are good. Their truck is ready to go the night before, and they roll in around 10:30, 11 o'clock and start setups, and 6 cameras, and they're already sunk up to the scoreboard so that our score and timer will be sunk up with the scoreboard. And it's a lot of guys that come out. There are 4 or 5 guys in the morning, and throughout the day more and more come. So it's about a crew of 10 to put on a football game like this.
What have you learned about the Toombs County Bulldogs that you did not know?
That I did not know. Well, I'll tell you one thing I did know for first. Jamar Smith is a heck of a back, more than 2,000 yards. But I found out that Coach Lyman Guy, his system is really starting to take shape. Obviously, a first-year head coach, things change, but they're starting to buy into his system. And I think I've known Lyman Guy from the 5 years that he's really, or 4 years that he's really made Richmond Hill a good football team, and I think he'll do that here at Toombs County.
Is it fun to do high school football on television?
Oh, I love doing it. You know, for years I just kind of sat on the anchor desk and did the Friday Night Blitz, but to be able to come out and get to see a full football game and call the action and meet with coaches every single week, yeah, it's just a blast. I'm having so much fun. And the rest of our crew will tell you the same thing. It's a long, hard day, which means they won't roll back into Savannah tonight until probably around 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning, but each one will say, boy, it's just been a lot of fun. It's different. You get out in the field.
Come on, Hank. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Hey, give me that. Come on. Go! Hey, Jake.
Nathaniel, what do you think about tonight?
We're going to run the heat.
Jamar, you start your senior season.
Oh, yeah. I'm ready, baby. Let's get it.
What a big night in the pit.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Chris Johnson, you ready to go?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
What's it like tonight?
Johnson special right here.
Jake, you ready to deal?
Yes, sir. Always ready.
What do you think, Darius?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Stretch that good now. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
This is your stretch for that injury you had. Let's go.
Hold out, you ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Richard Sanders, are you calm or excited right now?
Calm.
All right.
Hey, man. What's going on?
He's been on the field 3, 4, 5 times. Mine wouldn't be. Mine's too fat. I'm about 88 pounds. He's almost 50. He's close.
I know I am Lord.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
First and 10 for the Dogs. Hand off to Jamar. Weaving to the left side. Keeps his feet as he goes to the 35, to the 40. Now Jamar's still running. Jamar wants more. Jamar is running inside the 35. He's going to slip free. Jamar's running toward the end zone. Jamar is going to go in for 6. What a run. Maybe one of his best ever. But that's a matter of opinion. Wow. Jamar Smith running for 67 yards. I mean, he gets in this mode sometime where he will not go down. It's like he pumps himself up like a professional wrestler, and he says, I don't care what you do to me. I don't care how hard you hit me. I don't care where you hit me. I'm not going down. Third down and 18 for the Adams Smashers from their 26. High snap to Green over his head. He's going to go and pick it up. It's a 6. Wants to throw it. The ball's fumbled. The Bulldogs are diving for it inside the 5-yard line. Did they get it? Yes, they did. Oh, my goodness. The first bad snap of the night to the quarterback, and one of the Dogs getting up with a football. Maybe it's Nathaniel Baker. No, it's Bryson Smith. 57, not 7. He'll be the quarterback. Jamar Smith will be the fullback. One of those two probably going to carry the ball right here. It's Jamar. Finds a crease and an opening. Dives for the end zone and in for the Bulldog touchdown. The Bulldogs have come back. They were down 14-0 at one point. And now for the first time tonight, the Dogs have the lead. The Dogs and the Adams Smashers will shake hands in the pit on a successful night. And the Indians of Vidalia coming up next Friday night. This is a Thursday night victory for the Toombs County Bulldogs and on WSAB in Savannah. The game will be replayed on Sunday morning beginning at 10. I'll be headed down to the Bulldog locker room or down to the field to talk to a lot of dogs and head coach L.M. Guy. And that's coming up next on Y101.
Drum Major 1, is your band ready? Redcoats, are you ready? The Redcoats have a show for you tonight that will have you tapping in your toes and singing along. The song begins with a 1970s classic made popular by Casey and the Sunshine Band. Play that funky music. Featuring solos by Austin Davis on tuba and Wesley Ricks on brass.